Hi, this is Chase, and I just wanted to share with you, this is a Masterlock M530. I removed the core and I put 4 security pins. Put 3 spools and a serrated pin. The Masterlock M530 is a 4-pin lock. It's relatively easy to pick. I wanted some practice with something a little more difficult, so I made it because I'm cheap. So there's nothing on 1. Got a little click out of 2. Feels really mushy compared to how it used to feel. And we got it open. So now I'm going to disassemble the lock and show you how I rekeyed this. I'm currently down in the workshop. My wife just got back from walking our dog, so I'm going to try and minimize that. So we pulled the core out. I didn't make any modifications to the core directly. We have the key. It's one of the Magnum Master series, so I'm just gonna set this back in. So this doesn't have any of the interesting C-clamps that or C-clips that you tend to see. So let's see if I can zoom in on that a little bit. So if you look, it's pinched right there and right there. So to actually remove this, I take it sideways, 90 degrees, and then I just kind of pop it out. Then I grab the follower, I want to be very, very careful. Of course, I'm not that careful. So we have just 2 pins. These are your key pins. 1, 2. Let's get the other 2 out. 3, 4. Alright, so now we take the follower. We're going to pull out 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see we have, I made a mess of this. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, this lock is shit. Thanks for watching, everyone.